Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C programming tutorial, in this session, we are going to learn the C topic identifiers in C language. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic today. The topic is identifiers in C language. First of all, what is an identifier? Identifiers are basically the names given to the program elements such as variables, constants, functions and arrays. So, when you are writing a C program, in that C program, if you want to create any variables, any constants, any functions, any arrays, you need to provide some names for the objects, for the program elements. So, naming these program elements is called as identifiers. As the name suggests, identifiers help us to identify the other objects in the programs. So, in program, to identify the objects, we have to provide some names for that objects. That names are called here identifiers. So, identifiers are used to identify the objects in the program. An identifier may consist of an alphabet, digit or an underscore. So, an identifier name may consist alphabet, a digit, an underscore inside the name of it. Identifiers are user-defined names and both lowercase and uppercase can be used for identifiers. So, identifiers are user-defined names. So, we can give our own names. There is no restrictions to provide the names for identifiers. So, we can use lowercase names, uppercase names. There are some rules for naming identifiers. So, some rules are associated with naming identifiers. Let's see the rules now. Rules for naming identifiers. The first character of the identifier must be an alphabet or an underscore. So, a identifier name must start with an alphabet or an underscore, but not starts with any digit. The identifier name cannot include any special characters except underscore. In the identifier name, we don't have to include any special character. We can include only one special character, that is underscore. Keywords cannot be used as an identifier. Keywords are the reserved words or predefined words, and the keywords have a fixed meaning. So, we don't have to change that meaning. We don't have to redefine the meaning of a keyword. That's why keywords cannot be used as an identifier. So, whenever you are naming your program elements, you don't have to provide any name that containing keywords of C language. That is the important rule. We have to keep these rules in mind when we are writing our program. The name should contain up to 31 characters in length. So, an identifier name can contain up to 31 characters, means, so we may provide a name equals to 31 or less than 31, but that name should not exceed 31 characters in length. It should not contain white spaces. So, between the name of the identifier, we don't have to provide any spaces. The case of alphabet characters in the identifier name is significant. That means, for example, capital letters first. See here, for example, capital letters first we wrote here, and then small letters lowercase first is there and mixed first is there. So here this uppercase first is different from lowercase first and different from mixed combination, upper and lowercase combination first. So each and every word, each and every identifier is different. That means what? The case is significant here because C is a case sensitive programming language. Uppercase is different and lowercase is different. So I hope you understand about the identifiers along with rules for naming identifiers. Please subscribe this channel for more computer science subject videos. If you want to learn any other topics of C language, I am providing other topics links in this video description. If you want to learn, then you can use that links. Thank you guys. Share, subscribe, watch, like. Thank you.